Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn how to test the pickup coil or trigger coil or pulse coil in Yezdi Adventure. This has multiple names. So, in order to access the connector of the pickup coil, we have to remove the battery side panels and search a wire with blue and white wires. The closer to the alternative wires, the three wires, there will be a wire and a black connector like this. Color codes are white and blue. So I will show in the video. So that is how you identify the pickup coil wires. So we will put the multimeter in resistance mode 200 and check the resistance between the two terminals of the pickup coil. The resistance would be around 125 here for a working pickup coil. So it would be closer to 0 if the pickup coil is grounded. If it is infinity, the pickup coil is full faulty. So pickup coil plays a very crucial role in spark ignition timing. Pickup coil is a ferromagnet to which a wire is coiled lies in the alternator system. The alternator consists of a rotor which is a magnet and a stator which is also known as magnetic coil or induction coil. When the crankshaft is rotated, the magnet or rotor is also rotated. As it has a knobs, when it comes closer to the pickup coil, there is a change in the magnetic field which generates a signal voltage. Thus, it sends a signal voltage and plays a very crucial role in ignition timing. This is how you check the pickup coil in Yezdi Adventure. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.